Good afternoon, John here. Well, I came up with another idea of a little thing to give away out in the river. Little firewood crosses. I just split one of these. You can see the other pieces there from what I split to make those two, and just a little half lap notch, but thought that was kind of a neat little thing. It's so cold outside and my body's aching. Oh man, am I aching today. I don't know if I'm dying or what, but man, oh man, I ache. I think it was 5 below this morning when I got up, and I think it's about 5, or no, I think it got up to 10 today. But I'm staying in the shop here, just putzing. But oh, here, and I found a handle, an axe handle that I've got hanging. I was going to show you how I do these. I always put a line. I draw a line with the grain from end to end. Here you can see the line here, and then I cut it out. I lay out on the bandsaw. I cut out the profile of the axe I want and the length, and then what that line does is that gives you a reference for when you're whittling and carving with the carving axe. It gives you a little better strength. I may have done a video on that again before. Maybe I've forgotten, but I just thought I'd do but yeah, that's how I make all my through the years. I've made, I don't know how many axe handles and hammer handles, but that's how I do it. I put a line at each end with the grain, and then make the grain like a baseball bat to where you get the best strength. So alrighty, you have a good one. Stay warm. God bless.